Hey, this is Driving with the Myles. Let's go ahead and talk about gauges in a car. Every car has gauges, digital or analog. In the middle, I have my speedometer, which I'm not moving. To the right of that, I have the indicator for what gear I'm currently in drive. I'm at a little bit more past than half a tank. My temperature's in the middle. We have the tachometer to the left. And I have my traction control off. The headlights are on. Currently, you see the little windshield with the little water squirting on it. I'm low on windshield washer solvent. Now, this vehicle is an SRT equipped Grand Cherokee, so there's some extra features. I want to go ahead and talk about this a minute. We have oil pressure, which is at 29 pounds PSI, pounds per square inch. We have battery voltage. Now it's in the winter time. It is 27 degrees. So in the winter time, when it's really cold, batteries struggle a little bit to start the vehicle. And in the summer, that's heat. That is the enemy and coldest enemy of batteries. This battery, obviously, is over 6 years old. We have an oil temperature, which is 190. So this gives this information. I'm going to hit G-forces. So